Welcome to C-RAD Auto Tech. We'll be 3D printing some parts, making some innovations for our vehicles, and maybe I can get some suggestions from you on what you would like created for your vehicle. Got my new Bamboo Labs PS1 here. I've been creating some items like a trailering kit for my 24 Silverado. That kit's very expensive from GM, 650 bucks, but with this kit I've been working on, we can buy the camera, put it into a 3D printed holder. I made a custom plug and some cords that will run and work just like OEM, but we can have it put together for under 200 bucks with the camera and everything. I'm also putting in a console in my 66 Chevelle from a 2010 Camaro. Also doing some 3D printing to make it look like it was made for the vehicle. Also a 62 F100 unibody I have that I'd like to create some parts for with the 3D printer. So let's see what we can innovate, see what we can customize. Also some automobile hacks, I'll be adding them shortly. So hope you enjoy the channel.